my first something. That's the scoop.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name's Jake and I'm a treasure hunter. Welcome to my new property here in Florida.
Jake has invited me out to his new holiday property here in Florida and I am so happy to hang out with him for the day. We're gonna be looking for some artifacts along the way and I'm just happy to hang out with Jake once again.
Dan, if you can't make it down, let me know.
Sure, it's a rental, I'll take it anywhere.
All right.
So we got all the cameras and tools and everything for the video today. We're gonna head down there and see if we can find some artifacts today. It's gonna be epic. It's okay, it's a rental.
So we just made it to the cabin down here. I'm very excited. Dan just made it too. So that was good. His rental car made it down here. You made it, Dan.
We made it. Wasn't too bad.
No, it wasn't that bad at all.
How long have you had this place?
So I bought this last year, but I haven't showed anyone yet online. So it's kind of cool. There's been 2 hurricanes that's been here since I've been here.
They were back to back, weren't they? Like within weeks of each other.
What do you do with this thing? Like, how do you cut this up and like get it out of your driveway?
You got so firewood for the next decade.
All right, Mr. Dan, we've made it to the cabin.
The cabin.
Come check it out.
And there's the water right there.
Yeah, isn't that cool? So we just made it to the house, the little cabin down here. So this is the one that hit the house. Right on the corner. At least my grill's okay though. So that's...
Yeah, it hurts. Yeah.
I'm thinking it came from that tree right above us.
Oh yeah.
It looks bad, and it is pretty bad, but I think it could have been way worse. I mean, it really could have just went through this whole deck, you know?
Yeah,
so.
and it hit the porch, not the house itself.
What was that? What just hit my head?
Oh, just a lizard.
Oh.
He's crawling on you.
I felt something. Did you get that? It literally hit my head. I thought it was a leaf or something. All right, welcome to my my garage.
Your
this
garage.
Is where I have a little bit, I guess some of my stuff in here.
This is where you keep the bodies? All the toys.
Yeah. So we got the treasure boat over there. I've got my dirt bike here, so when I want to make runs to go grab some food, I can. Came in handy when I lost my truck keys last time I was here. So this is what we'll be using when we're out there. We've got these shovels.
Cut off shovels. Your tire has seen better days.
I was gonna bring my boat home last time I was here, but I hit a tree with my tire and I bent that rim and just
big time.
Had to leave it here.
I love that you have Polaroids.
Yeah, that's
That's awesome.
It goes in order. These were our first finds. This was the second one, the third one, and so on and so forth. This is definitely the best one from our experience so far here. So that's what you're looking for.
Okay, that's the plan for today.
Yeah, we want a smoker.
One of those each, right?
Yeah. You don't want to leave here without making that case stand.
Okay, that's the plan.
That's my challenge for you. You know, it's just really about having fun and hanging out. And one day I'd like to put this on the wall for all my fans to come and check it out one day if they want to come stay at my cabin.
"10 miles of pulling the cart through the forest here." No, the shed is right there.
Oh, my door just broke down.
Do you rent out the shed separate from the house?
Yeah, you know.
I'll stay there.
$500 a night. So Memorial Day weekend's the busiest weekend here. And you can see over 30,000 people go tube down this river.
And there's alligators down there, isn't there?
Sometimes, yeah.
30,000 people on Memorial Day.
Yeah.
Known by the gators as Feast Day. Nice and sharp.
All right, we sharpened our shovel. Let's get into the hole, do a little bit of shaving. Today's the day, Dan.
It is. Nothing yet. That sounds crunchy.
Get in there.
That sounds crunchy. Just a rock. But my first rock from this spot.
So we've been digging for what, maybe 30 minutes or so, Dan?
Yeah.
Got a couple rocks. I think Dan could actually get something pretty good at this spot.
We're cheating on removing the spoils.
Dan, it's looking good, dude.
Absolutely. Time for round 2. Well, I found my first something.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Totally a piece of bone. Absolutely bone.
First artifact of the day, some type of bone. My guess is deer. I know it's a little hot out here.
Oh, this is so nice. So nice to be so hot. I come from the Great White North. We're frozen up there. Jake's getting back in the excavator, clear out the hole again, and we're gonna get back into digging any second. Chris, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Bree? Nice to meet you, Bree. I've watched all your videos. Well, I'm not sure all of them, but a lot of them.
Awesome. Appreciate that. Yeah, likewise.
Look where we're having our lunch. This place looked really good before the hurricane.
It'll look good again.
We'll fix it up soon.
There's a long period of human habitation here on this property. We have no idea what we can find. We can find things from pretty much every time period when people were in Florida.
Found a couple of chips from artifacts for sure. Haven't found that big one yet, but we'll find that still.
For some reason on this little stretch right here, there's also bones being preserved, possibly because it's right on the edge of the river. So you can find both the fossils, most often ones that have been eaten by the natives that lived on this property, along with the cut marks on them. And you can find the little flakes of chert from the material they were using to make the actual artifacts they used to kill and cut those up. What else is there? I mean,
There's all kinds of stuff.
You said, oh. Dude, my shovel stopped right here. Dude, that could be it. No, dang, it kind of looked good though for a second. That little base right there.
Bree just pulled this out of the hole. We thought it was going to be something a little better. It's just a flake, but it has a super dark purple to it.
Well, it looks like the pit beat us today. No arrowheads, no spearheads, a few scrapers, a few artifacts, but not that piece we're really looking for. Tomorrow, we're pulling out the excavator and the screens. We're gonna go through a whole lot of material really quickly, and tomorrow, we will find that piece. Guaranteed.
What I'm gonna do is take this excavator, take our first bucket full of sand, we'll dump it into the sifter.
Here we go. First scoop. Will it hold up? That's the question. Nice! I think we're gonna find at least one flake.
At least
you know
one
why I
flake.
say that?
Hey!
Because we got a flake!
We got one. Show the camera, show what it looks like.
Camera! Flake!
So there's our first piece of chert.
Got another flake.
Nice, so that's 2 flakes. Oh, I got one too.
I got a third.
That's a 4th.
You know what they say, that there's 3 types of people in this world?
Oh yeah?
Those that can count and those that can't. We're finding way more flakes than we have by doing it manually already.
Just found another piece of chert. Hey, it's kind of working out. We got another piece.
Flakety, flakety, flake. 10 flakes, easily,
Wow,
in
worked
one
out
scoop.
great. Test 1 was successful. We found over 10 pieces of chert. Nothing really crazy, but the sifter is back up and running. Again, it's hooked up to the truck. Let's get back into the excavator.
Round 2.
Want another one?
Yeah, hit her again.
Hey, Dan,
Eh?
did you sign that waiver?
Nope. I'm suing the hell out of you.
How many buckets do you think it's going to take? 3?
50?
50.
For you, a snail.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, these are fossils. These are millions of years old, I think. Maybe, I don't know. How old does it have to be a fossil?
I've been accused of being a fossil.
I mean, we're finding stuff, but we just haven't found that big spear point.
We will.
We want one like this big, like a sword.
Oh yeah, wiggle it! Wiggle it, boy! Wiggle it!
Is it working or not?
Yeah.
Get another piece?
Yep.
There you go.
Bone.
Bone.
Bone. Never mind, bark. Where's Chris?
I don't know. I
Where's that
invited him.
slacker? Not quite.
Oh
You know,
my
it
goodness,
it
dude.
had the right look, but not quite.
Okay,
Dump
let's-
this and then
Yeah.
get this out of the way for a
Yeah, it'd be
scoop.
perfect. How many pieces do you think we found so far?
Oh, we're up to like 50.
We just need a few modifications and then this will be really smooth. Next time.
And Chris here to do all the hard work.
Yeah, that too.
That was a load.
What'd you say?
That was a big load. Text Chris and tell him to get his ass over here. Get your ass over here.
Everyone go to Chris's channel and tell him to get his ass over here.
My video that released this morning is ranked #1 right now.
Is it ranked #1?
I love it when they do that.
Congratulations. Yeah, I think the past few I've uploaded was like ranked 9 or 8. I'm like, come on, y'all.
That's typical for me, yeah.
All right, what we need is reinforcements. We need some help. I'm gonna call some friends and see if we can get someone out here.
Okay.
I
More
need
than
some
just Chris and
candy.
Bree?
I don't know. I think that's all my friends I have down here. We need to have a whole bunch of people out here one day digging and have like an event out of it and just see what we can find. I think that'd be so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Have like 100 people out here digging and a bunch of cameras.
Be a 20 million event.
20
When
million.
you hit 20 million.
20 million
Get
subscribers.
everyone out here.
Dan, where are you at for subscribers? right now?
1.4 million.
Subscribe to his channel. Get him to 1.5 million. Getting close. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my chair right here. That's a good spot. All right, Dan, I'm gonna put some more dirt in the
Let's
sifter.
do it again. I saw that and I thought I had something. It looked good to start with.
Dan, what did I tell all my subscribers to tell Chris earlier?
Get your ass over here.
Should I give it a yank?
Yeah, yank it down.
Okay.
It almost got Dan Hurd's car. Dude, that hurricane really did some damage. Like, look at this place. Dude, there's trees everywhere down. One more proper sift at this spot, and then if we don't find anything, we'll move over there. And if we do find something, we'll stay here.
Dude, you know it's gonna have something.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Oh, I hear something. I hear some stuff.
Let it fly out.
I know. Okay, let's take a gander.
Is it?
That's
It
a
worked?
form. I swear. Look.
What is it, Chris?
That's a point.
Is it?
Is that our first point?
Yeah, it's just
Is it
broken.
really?
It's just broken right here, yeah.
Yep.
Worked all the way around.
Dude, what's the chances of us saying that I last spot?
I told you.
Hold it out as far as you can. Hey, Chris and Bree, come on. I'm gonna get a close-up one and then one far away.
Okay.
Ready?
So we did it. We found a point. It might not be the prettiest point around. It is broken on the tip, but we did find a point, and that is awesome. And we just took a Polaroid of this piece with the crew, and we get to make Jake's special find case. I'm very excited to be in Jake's special case of finds at his holiday property here in Florida. We got something. We were just pushing back and forth, sifting this through and poking out the top. That's a sloth bone.
Look at this. So look at this side. Yeah, let's spray it. Yeah.
There we go. I might need some more. Maybe if I change it.
There you go. I mean, honestly, I don't know of any giant ground sloth bones that have been found that have been butchered by people.
Wow.
I don't know of any.
Yeah, dude, there's scratch marks
all through
on
there. Yep.
Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna feel this in the morning. Well, we haven't had the cameras on for hours here. We have been finding artifacts, but nothing that's camera worthy. Bree was finding some artifacts in a pit down here, and we think it is a great spot for the last hurrah of the evening. And we're gonna try sifting there into the night, but the artifacts she was finding really tell us we might find something good.
More chert here. Hold on now.
Oh.
Yeah, a whole handful so far. From those straps.
Yeah, I'm gonna move from those straps too.
Yeah, I don't trust that. No, I definitely think there's a lot of potential down here.
That's the scoop.
Oh, is that whole edge pressure plate?
Yep.
It looks, yeah.
Okay.
Like right
Yeah,
there.
so that's our.
Oh,
It's another.
Another scraper.
there's a shot for me.
scraper, yeah.
Full on scraper. The edge is worked the whole length of it. You can see it on both sides worked. That there would for sure been used to scrape hides, pull meat off bones. It is a tool. It is an artifact. It is what we're looking for.
This is everything we found so far today. If you ever thought we faked any videos, we don't.
2 straight days now.
All right, here's Joe dropping the second bucket of dirt inside the sifter. Dude, like a natural.
Looks like, I guess I pulled up part of a point with the base broke. Haven't found a point out here. Certainly haven't found one before with an excavator, so this is pretty cool.
My bad.
I told my wife that we were still digging.
Yeah.
Her response is, I take it you haven't found anything yet.
This is the one. You want to be a part of it, Dan? The last one? Or are you tapping out?
Oh, I won't tap out.
All right, this is the
Can't
very
let
last
the young
one
bucks
we're doing.
outdo this old fart. Oh, there's some tension in that.
Might be careful.
Oh,
What do you think? Do you think it's in here?
I think so. Look at that. There's the first piece of chert. Little statue there for us. We found all sorts of stuff. We found fossilized bones. We found chips. We found a few segments of spearheads for sure. And the biggest honor of the weekend is I get to make the case. Here we go. And there I am in Jake's special case of his special finds. Love it.